Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out one of the newest and most useful updates in Notion, the brand new tabbed layout feature. If you enjoy organizing your workspace, managing projects, or simply making your setup look cleaner and easier to use, then this feature is definitely worth trying out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a tabbed layout, customize it, and use it to organize your pages and databases more efficiently. To get started, the first thing we need to do is create a gallery view. This acts as the foundation for the tabbed layout system. Inside your Notion page, type /gallery and select the gallery option from the menu. Once you do that, Notion will instantly create a visual gallery where your pages appear like cards. This layout is really useful because it makes your content easier to browse and gives your workspace a more modern and organized look. Next, go ahead and create a new page inside the gallery. Think of each page as its own workspace where you can store notes, trackers, databases, or templates. Once the page opens, you can start customizing it by adding a cover image and an icon. Covers are great because they help your pages stand out visually, while icons make it easier to quickly recognize different sections. Even simple customization can make your workspace feel much more professional and enjoyable to use. Now let's move on to the main feature of this update, the tabbed layout itself. Inside the page settings, click on Customize Layout, and you'll notice a new option called Tabbed. This is where the magic happens. The tabbed layout allows you to organize different pages, databases, and templates into separate tabs that you can switch between instantly. It works almost like browser tabs, helping you keep everything neat without opening a bunch of different pages. You can use tabs for all kinds of things. For example, you could create one tab for your weekly planner, another for project tracking, another for your content calendar, and another for notes or ideas. Everything stays in one place, but it's still easy to navigate. This makes your workspace feel much less cluttered and much more efficient, especially if you manage a lot of information inside Notion. Another really useful feature is the Apply to All Pages option. Once you've created a tab setup you like, you can apply the same structure to every page in your gallery. This saves a lot of time and keeps everything looking clean and consistent across your workspace. And don't worry, you can always go back later and customize things again if you want to make changes. It's also perfect for teams who want every workspace page to follow the same organized structure and design style. Overall, the new tabbed layout feature makes Notion more organized, more flexible, and much easier to use. It's a great update for students, creators, teams, or anyone who wants a cleaner digital workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.